الو، صباح الخير، يعطيكم العافية. إن شاء الله تكونوا بأحسن الأحوال إن شاء الله، ونراكم قريبا، أنتم وأهاليكم وأقاربكم بخير. هون رح نذكر بس بالدوكيمنت 4 اللي شيء له علاقة بالريسبتور. شغلة صغيرة هلا بتشوفوها هون. related to document 4. These are the receptors, different kinds of receptor. For example, they are found in the skin. هذا الدوكيمنت موجود بكتاب التاسع، هو سبورت للدوكيمنت 8 page 190. هذا بكتاب التاسع موجود هون. different kind of receptor. For example, receptor for pain اسمه nociceptor. NOCI receptor يعني receptor for pain. noci means pain. إذا بتلحقي كل خط تعرفي شو ممكن، يعني أي ريسبتور ممكن يكون excited. عندك مثلا pressure receptor Pacinian corpuscle. عندك مثلا touch receptor Meissner corpuscle. عندك الريسبتور فور cold Krauss corpuscle. وعندك receptor for heat Ruffini receptor. According to the kind of excitant, the receptor can be either can be excited and generate an action potential, receptor potential, and then an action potential, or not. For example, if there is fire, which kinds of receptor can be stimulated or excited? Those for pain and for heat. إذا افترض مثلا عندنا heat but without pain, the Ruffini أو Ruffini corpuscle receptor are excited. إذا عندنا مثلا cold, Krauss corpuscle are only excited. إذا عندنا, if we have pressure, pressing by finger, for example, the Pacinian corpuscle. هؤلاء Pacinian وروفيني وكراوس ميسنر هو اسماء عالم common name نسبة للمكتشف أو العالم اللي درسه، بس مش أكثر من هيك. هلا بنروح ل document 5. This document, which is very interesting and very important, document 5 and document 6, but now we'll take document 5 only. In this document, we will learn what is a synapse, what are the different kinds of synapses, and how a synapse function. How does a synapse function? Okay. هذا هو الدرس. طيب, what are the objectives here clearly? What could be? Right. The objectives are that are related to page 192 and 193, definition of synapse in general and the definition of other synapses, function of synapses, structure of synapses, types, and classification of synapses according to structure and anatomical and according to function. And what are the steps that occur during synaptic transmission, and briefly what are neurotransmitters and their role, and fate of the neurotransmitters used in synaptic transmission. And in the details of EPSP and IPSP will be taken in the document 6, but now we will only mention what is EPSP and IPSP: excitatory postsynaptic potential and inhibitory postsynaptic potential. Properties of synaptic transmission and factors that affecting synaptic transmission. Definition. What is a synapse? Synapse is the junction of a terminal bud of a presynaptic neuron and a presynaptic neuron and a terminal bud and a postsynaptic element. postsynaptic element. البوستسينابتيك element ممكن يكون نيورون، هذا نيورون، ممكن يكون مش نيورون، muscle cell، ممكن يكون glandular cell، ممكن يكون eye cell، ممكن يكون heart cell، ممكن يكون anything. Classes or classifications of synapses depends, for example, according to function. Main kinds of synapses are excitatory synapses and inhibitory synapses. What are excitatory synapses? A synapse is said to be excitatory if it allows the nerve message to pass, to be transmitted from presynaptic neuron to postsynaptic neuron or postsynaptic cell. For example, in this figure, you will have the nerve message transmitted from this neuron 1 into neuron 2. Inhibitory synapse, inhibitory يعني مانع كابح. When the synapse does not allow the nerve message to pass from the presynaptic neuron to the postsynaptic cell، يعني هون من هون ما بيكون في nerve message created or هون no response. For example, muscle, no contraction. For example, neuron, no action potential. For example, glandular cell, no secretion. But in general, there are two kinds of synaptic transmission or synapses: electrical and chemical. Chemical, where the neurotransmitters are involved in the process, because the neurotransmitters are really chemical mediated. While electrical synapses اللي هو ما بنركز عليهم بمنهاجنا، مش مركز عليهم، ما مطلوب منهم details. The action potential here transmitted from the presynaptic neuron to the postsynaptic cell directly without a chemical mediator, as in case of neurotransmitter. Here remark on, هذا remark on, the transmission via synapses, hey synapse. The transmission by synapse, synapse. Transmission is always unique, that is unidirectional. كيف يعني؟ Always from presynaptic neuron to postsynaptic cell. Now, synaptic transmission. We mean by synaptic transmission the process whereby the neuron or nerve cell communicates and transmits directly with other neurons or effects, such as a muscle cell, glandular cell, etc., at a synapse. Types of synapses in general, the general types. Electrical synapse, as I told you. Electrical synapses are a direct electrical coupling between two cells. Chemical synapse, these synapses communicate هذا اللي راح نركز عليهم using the chemical messengers, the neurotransmitter. Depending on the nature of the postsynaptic element, synapses could be neuroneuronic or neurochemical. neuronal. هي. Which is the synapse between the terminal bud of presynaptic neuron N1, neuron 1, and postsynaptic neuron. يعني the postsynaptic cell هي another neuron. هذا neuromuscular synapse بسموها كمان أيضا motor endoplate. Why motor? Because here the neuron here involved is motor neuron, transmitting the nerve message from this neuron across this neuron toward the skeletal muscle fiber or skeletal muscle. It's a neuromuscular synapse where the synapse where there is a junction between terminal buds of motor neuron and skeletal muscle fiber. Okay. Depending also, however, the postsynaptic cell is the gland cell or gland cells. Here it's called the neuroglandular synapse. كمان هي بتشبه بس هون في gland cells مش muscle cells. فإذا neuronal or neuroneuronic مكتوب هون neuron هي neuroneuronic motor endoplate or neuromuscular synapse and neuroglandular synapse. According to the site of junction between two neurons in a neuronal or neuroneuronic synapses, there are 4 kinds of synapses. 4 kinds here or مرسوم هون 3 بس هن عمليا 4. Axodendritic. إذا بدك تكبرها شوي. Axodendritic. That is the axon, the terminal bud at the end of the axon communicates or in junction with the dendrite of another neuron. هي. ثاني نوع axosomatic. هذا الاكسوسوماتيك رقم 2. شو يعني axo؟ يعني the axon, the terminal bud at the end of the axon is in junction with the soma. Soma يعني cell body of the another neuron. عشان هيك سموه axosomatic. Axonic إذا بتلاحظي هون the presynaptic neuron here, the presynaptic neuron is in junction, the terminal bud of the presynaptic neuron is in junction with the axon of the postsynaptic neuron. في نوع مش شائع كتير بس موجود هو dendrodendritic. That is the dendrite here of the 2 neurons communicate with each other. بس احنا بنركز على هول 3. كمان هون according anatomical point of view or according to their structure, synapses could be in general on neuronal or neuroneuronic, neuromuscular, neuroglandular. هذه طريقة ثانية بالتفصيل. Neuroneuronal or neuroneuronic, axonic, axodendritic, axosomatic, وفي dendrodendritic. فإذا هون قرأوا عنا classification of synapses. That's all. The question is now, what are the steps that occur during synaptic transmission? What are the steps that will occur during synaptic transmission? Here, what do we have here? Synaptic transmission. Step 1, arrival of action potential or nerve message at the level of the terminal bud of presynaptic neuron. فإذا توصل message فهي or nerve message or action potential at the level of the terminal bud of presynaptic neuron. Presynaptic cell يعني home presynaptic neuron. Always the presynaptic cell is always a neuron, not other cell. Step 2 that will happen, the voltage dependent channel like Ca++, calcium ion channel. It's voltage dependent. ليش voltage dependent? Because it opens upon when it receives or action potential reaches it, like stimulate it to open. When it opens, allowing هذا external medium, هذا internal medium, هذا exterior or هذا interior. The calcium ion here in the outside, what will happen? Calcium ions pass or diffuse, or there is inflow from the external medium to the internal medium. The calcium ion, what's the role of calcium ion here? When it enters the cell, the terminal bud, it provokes the synaptic vesicles to move or migrate here to the presynaptic membrane here. فإذا بيعملوا migration وبيعملوا شو؟ fusion. When they fuse, what the step will follow? They by exocytosis شو يعني? They release the neurotransmitters, which are the chemical mediators. مثل ما قلنا بالchemical synapse. هذه chemical synapse مش electric. ما في تركيز على electric. في تركيز على chemical synapse. The neurotransmitter released مثل بالون فتح releases what the neurotransmitter into the synaptic cleft. هذا synaptic cleft. What the step will follow? The neurotransmitter diffuses across the synaptic cleft and binds to the receptor. هم بيعمل شو؟ binding على receptor. شو receptor؟ هذا البوست synaptic cell. ممكن يكون نيورون، ممكن يكون غير نيورون. Binds, the neurotransmitter binds or fixed to its receptor. هذا واحد، هذا اثنين، هذا ثلاثة، كمان بيعملوا نفس الشيء. The question is now, the other step. What will happen after that? Degradation of the neurotransmitter, either degraded and broken down by certain enzymes or enzyme in the synaptic cleft, or reabsorbed. Reabsorbed يعني recapture، يعاد إذا بدك دخوله هون، or recapture بسموه uptake، بسموه recapture، بسموه reabsorption. To be here, to be synthesized or reused again. Okay, to be used again here in the synaptic vesicle. بيرجع يعاد استعماله تاني مرة. طيب شو الeffect here? Effect here ممكن يكون there is excitation of the postsynaptic cell. ممكن يكون inhibition. على هذا شو بصير بدرس آخر next lesson, not now. What will happen at the level of the postsynaptic cell. فإذا بدنا صارت steps هلا بعطيكم يون وورد مكتوبين مطبوعين. وإذا بدنا نستعرض الليبل، هذا الأكسون، إذا بدك هذا التيرمينال باد، إذا بنكمل هيك هذا الأكسون، هذا السيل ممبرين presynaptic of cell membrane of presynaptic neuron, أو synaptic vesicle أو synaptic cleft. هذا postsynaptic cell، هذا postsynaptic membrane، أو عندك هذا أو الريسبتور، وهؤلاء neurotransmitter. هذا neurotransmitter for this receptor. Steps of synaptic transmission according to our program, and it is an acquired knowledge. The steps are arrival of the nervous message at the level of the terminal buds of the presynaptic neuron. nervous message قصده action potential. هذا باختصار هذا هو المطلوب، مش أكثر من هيك الديتيل تبع الستبس of synaptic transmission. Calcium ion channels open causing entering of calcium ions into presynaptic neuron. يعني inflow. inflow. Liberation, release of the neurotransmitter by exocytosis from presynaptic vesicles into synaptic cleft. Fixation and binding of the neurotransmitter to the postsynaptic membrane receptor according to Keelock model. مثل الانزيم يعمل بايندينج مع السبستريت، نفس الشيء مثل الهرمون بيعمل بايندينج للريسبتور. Generation شو بصير هون؟ Generation of the postsynaptic potential at the level of the postsynaptic cell. ليش سموه postsynaptic؟ PSP, which could be EPSP يعني excitatory postsynaptic potential or IPSP inhibitory postsynaptic potential. If EPSP بنرجع للشروط تبع الكرييشن للاكشن potential او للريسبونس. If EPSP reaches threshold potential, an action potential is created in the neuron, or a muscle potential is created at the level of the muscle and causes contraction, or there is glandular secretion. If the EPSP didn't reach the threshold potential, no response. Whereas in case of IPSP, inhibitory postsynaptic potential, that is the synapse is inhibitory. It does not allow the nerve message to pass from or to be transmitted from presynaptic neuron to postsynaptic cell. طيب شو الفايت للنيوروترانسميتر؟ Elimination of the neurotransmitter molecule by enzymatic degradation, broken down or breaking down in the synaptic cleft. في انزيم هون بكسروه أو في منهم لا not degraded or by recapture. Recapture يعني reabsorb، يعاد امتصاص، يعاد الاستعمال، يعاد الالتقاط uptake of the neurotransmitters by the presynaptic membrane. ارجع اعيد الصورة هون مشان تتذكروها. هي مرتين. فإذا arrival of action potential، اثنين entrance of Ca++ ions to the inside, provoking the synaptic vesicle to migrate and fuse to the presynaptic membrane, followed by exocytosis, the synaptic vesicles open, emptying يعني بتفرغ يعني release or liberation of the neurotransmitter into synaptic cleft, binding of the neurotransmitter to its receptor, and then detach. بيرجع بيعمل detach، ما بضل مثل المفتاح بالقفل ما بضل، بيرجع detach after being detached, either degraded, broken down, or reabsorbed. And here, either PSP is formed or IPSP. رح تشوفوا هون كمان document which is very important، طريقة تانية بالكتابة ل steps of synaptic transmission لي support للdocument E page 193. يعني هون هيك إذا بدك يعني هيدي اللي عم بعطيكم إياها أوضح بكتير. هي what do you have here? We have steps of synaptic transmission. Here we have label first, labels. هي axon, postsynaptic neuron, presynaptic neuron, postsynaptic neuron, axon, presynaptic membrane etc. تقروهم هيهم. وهون steps هول إن very important اللي قلنا عنهم من شوي مكتوبين بطريقة تانية. arrival of action potential at the level of presynaptic neuron محطوط هون بالصورة الليبل ومحطوط كمان steps. They are very clear and interesting. Entrance of Ca plus ion, migration and fusion of storage vesicle or presynaptic vesicles to the presynaptic membrane, etc. Exocytosis, binding of the neuron transmitter, response of the postsynaptic element. For example, a new action potential is formed in N2. طيب إذا المسل شو بكون فيه contraction، إذا gland شو بصير فيه secretion. هيدا إذا S+ يعني excitatory. طب إذا inhibitory no action potential, no contraction, no secretion. ملاحظة هون a neurotransmitter may be degraded after being detached from its receptor without reabsorption. Or may be degraded only, may be reabsorbed, may be degraded and reabsorbed. حسب نوعية، مش مفروض نحفظهم هذا. If depolarization هذا رح ناخده بالdocument 6 بس من هلا الفكرة. If depolarization EPSP is formed here at the level of the postsynaptic cell, what we have is عندنا هذا النيورون reach threshold potential response شو بصير فيه new action potential يعني excitation السينابس تعتبر excitatory. If there is hyperpolarization مش depolarization okay which is far away from threshold potential no excitation here does no excitation here occur there is inhibition and the synapse here is called inhibitory synapse. راح اعمل هلا overall review. Definition here of the synapse. The junction of the terminal bud of presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic cell. According to function, synapses can be classified into excitatory synapses and inhibitory synapses. Two general types of synaptic transmission are electrical and chemical. Transmission is unidirectional. وهذه كمان مرة تانية معلومات مكررة. هون عندك steps of synaptic transmission. ناخد الستبس بصفحة 31 بالاكسترا شيت اللي مرقت من شوي، هي أوضح فيها ليبل أكثر وفيها ستبس بشكل أوضح. هول اللي ذكرناهم بالأول types of receptor اللي لهم علاقة بالدوكيمنت 4. عندك هون كمان أيضا classification of synapses according to the nature of the postsynaptic element. The synapses could be neuronic or neuroneuronal, neuromuscular, and neuroglandular. كمان هون classification according to the structure or anatomy. Neuroneuronic, neuromuscular, neuroglandular. The neuroneuronic can be classified into axonal, axodendritic, and axosomatic. هاي الصورة عندك هون. هو الصور تبع according to the site of junction between two neurons. هي هون 1 2 3. Concepts of synaptic transmission مكتوبين word طريقة الوورد وإني acquire knowledge حسب برنامجنا هون المطلوبين. Arrival of action potential هي هون في A++ ion channels open etc. لتوصل له. أو support figure فيكم تشوفوهم حلوين كتير. كمان هون ليك لما بصير في هون binding of the neurotransmitter to its receptor, allowing Na+ to diffuse to the inside through the Na+ channel that open, which makes depolarization. If EPSP reaches threshold potential, then an action potential is created at the level of the postsynaptic neuron. كمان هيدي صور إضافية. هون هذا السايت هذا الريسبتور for neurotransmitter, and here the Na+ ion in case of EPSP enter here, diffuse from the external medium to the internal medium at the level of the postsynaptic cell. عم بستعرض بس الصور لحتى تشوفون بطريقة أوضح مش أكثر. رح تشوفوا أيضا صفحات 24 25 أو 25 26 ل 31 اللي مكتوبين بخط اليد لأن إكسترا شيت اللي عادة أنتم بتصوروهم بالصف، لكن أنا صورتهم هون وراح أعطيكم إياهم سبورت بكونوا لكم. أيوه طبعا في صور أوضح بعثت لكم إياهم أوضح منهم. راح ابعت كمان سبورت فيديوز انكلودد بقلب الفيديو هيدا. اذا ما انقطعت الكهرباء راح اعطيكم اعرض كمان سبورت فيديوز وكل السبورت اكسترا شيت والبيكتشر ايمجز اتسترا كلهم راح كمان ايضا اعرضهم بشكل انه بس تراجعوا الدرس يكون في مراجعه كامله ويكون كل الدوكيمنت قدامكم. ثانك يو باي.
When an action potential reaches the synaptic terminal of the axon, it encounters a region called a synapse where two neurons come close together but do not touch one another. A minuscule gap called the synaptic cleft separates the synaptic terminal of the first or presynaptic neuron from the dendrite or cell body of the second or postsynaptic neuron. The arrival of an action potential at the synaptic terminal causes the synaptic terminal to become positively charged and release neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitters diffuse rapidly across the synaptic cleft and bind to receptors in the membrane of the dendrites or cell body of the postsynaptic cell. Each type of receptor in the postsynaptic membrane binds to a specific type of neurotransmitter, and after binding to a neurotransmitter, the receptor causes specific types of ion channels in the postsynaptic membrane to open. As ion channels are opened, ions flow across the cell membrane of the postsynaptic neuron along their concentration gradients. This flow of ions into the postsynaptic neuron causes a postsynaptic potential in the dendrites or cell body. Depending on the channels open and the ions that flow in, synaptic potentials can be either excitatory, making a neuron less negative inside and more likely to fire an action potential, or inhibitory, making it more negative and less likely to fire. An excitatory postsynaptic potential is called an EPSP. An inhibitory postsynaptic potential is called an IPSP. A synapse that produces EPSPs in the postsynaptic cell is called an excitatory synapse, while a synapse producing IPSPs is an inhibitory synapse. Postsynaptic potentials cannot travel far in a neuron. After a few millimeters at most, the ions leak back across the membrane and the signal is lost. However, postsynaptic potentials travel far enough to reach the cell body, where they determine whether or not an action potential will be produced.
Action potentials arriving at the presynaptic terminal cause voltage-gated calcium ion channels to open. Calcium ions diffuse into the cell and cause synaptic vesicles to release acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter molecule. Acetylcholine molecules diffuse from the presynaptic terminal across the synaptic cleft and bind to their receptor sites on the ligand-gated sodium ion channels. This causes the ligand-gated sodium ion channels to open and sodium ions. Action potentials arriving at the presynaptic terminal cause voltage-gated calcium ion channels to open. Calcium ions diffuse into the cell and cause synaptic vesicles to release acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter molecule. Acetylcholine molecules diffuse from the presynaptic terminal across the synaptic cleft and bind to their receptor sites on the ligand-gated sodium ion channels. This causes the ligand-gated sodium ion channels to open and sodium ions diffuse into the cell, making the membrane potential more positive. If the membrane potential reaches threshold level, an action potential will be produced.
هذا overall view للdocument. هذا page 25 هذا page 26 page 27 وبعدين بناخدهم document 6 page 29 about information about neurotransmitter. هذا له علاقة إذا بدك بالdocument 6 أكتر. بعدين بناخدهم كمان document 6 هذا اللي هو support document E page 193 which is very important. مكتوب on very important. كمليها شوي. That's all. شكرا لكم ويعني اعذروني على بعض السهو او الاخطاء. بعتقد او بحاول وبعتقد انه حاولت قد ما فيني اوصل الرساله المطلوبه. شكرا لحسن استماعكم ومشاهدتكم.